Hey my beauty family, this is VALYA'S channel, and in today's look I'll have for you this very beautiful, nice, summery look. This is my recommendation for you, my friends. For you, you have to be a bridesmaid, a maid of honor in this summer. So my friends, if you wanna know how this video goes down, carry on watching and let's get right into this video. I have filled in my brows as usual with my Cyan Eyebrow Styler 11 medium brown. Then I have sculpted them up with my Ulta's liquid concealer in the shade Fair. I have prepared my lids with the same concealer and then I have set it up the area with my Kylie Girl to Color Powder Cake. And now I'm ready to move on to my shadows. In this today's look, my beautiful friends, I will do for you a bridesmaid's look, a maid of honor look for this summer, in which I'm gonna start with my Moonlight Mermaid for Me Only makeup. This is my beautiful palette that I'm gonna use today, and starting with this color, which is a medium light brown for the crease. Gonna be a very beautiful look. I will apply that from the inner part of the lid to the outer corner with circular motions back and forward. It is very beautiful, this look, this makeup look, and I think that matches to almost all of you, my friends, all of the skin tones. All of you can wear this. Then I will continue with that type of brush, which is smaller and flatter than the other, and taking this color, which is a very darkest brown, I'm gonna use it on the outer part of the lid, on the outer corner, as we say. Applying it on the outer corner. Very beautiful color, summery color, warm tone color. Now I will clean a little the bottom, the inner part of the lid area. I will clean it with my same Ulta's concealer and Wet n Wild flat brush. I'm gonna do a half cut crease, light cut crease, so I can apply the light color, the shimmery color, nicely. I'm taking my micellar water. One technique that I haven't shown you another time is after I have applied my concealer, I'm taking my liquid micellar water and I will clean up a little over the concealer, the base that you use. I will clean it up a little to be more clear, and I will apply some more concealer. We have cleaned up, as you see, more the inner part of the lid, and I'm applying some more concealer on this area. I'm taking my Cosmo Fan 110, and this is with a light white color, champagne, light white champagne color, and I will apply that on the inner part that we have here, that we have cleaned up more the area. The colors are beautiful. Beautiful colors. Between the two colors, I'm taking this, which is a light purple, to connect the inner part of the eye with the outer corner. We always do that. We connect the light color with the darkest color, so we can have much more continuity. I'm applying it a little with my finger to be more light. Beautiful result. Very beautiful result. On the under part of the brow, I will apply my highlighting powder by Wet n Wild, which is a nice pink, which I'm gonna apply it on the inner part of the lid and under the brow bone area. Just a few coffee while I work. Now, my friends, I'm moving on to the other eye. I'm gonna fix it off camera and coming back. My eyes are ready, as you see, completely ready. And now I'm moving to my false lashes, which are this type. These are end long lashes and thick hair lashes, because we want an intense look this time. Of course, before I will take my lash curler and my Vortex mascara. I always apply my black mascara before I wear my false lashes. I have told you many times, I don't apply mascara on the false lashes, so I cannot ruin them and I can keep them for more time, much time. Apply my mascara and I will leave my mascara to get dry and then I will apply my falsies. Going to wear them, my friends, off camera and coming back. My falsies are ready, as you see. They are very nice, very long, they are 6D lashes. I insist on them because we have a beautiful event to go. We are bridesmaids, so we can excuse these big and healthy and false and very big lashes. And now I'm ready to move on to the rest of the face. As I have told you many times, I have done the whole skincare that I do every morning. My day creams, my eye creams, my serums, all of them. And now I'm ready to move on to the rest of the face. Continuing with primer, Maybelline Face Studio Prime SPF 30. Hydrating moisturizing primer for me. We have thought that I have a dry skin and I need to moisturize it very nice. If you have a more oily skin, you can take a product that it is more mattifying. I apply this and in the whole face. In this case, I will continue my Golden Rose High Definition Foundation 115 Golden Base and my Kabuki Cosmo Fan brush. I will apply some of that and I'm gonna start to apply it on the face. I will continue to have a very nice result with my beauty blender. I'm gonna mix it a few with my Cyan Pure Finish Foundation for normal dry skin 25. It is a foundation very moisturizing, very light and very moisturizing for me. I always mix foundation, you have understood that, and applying it with the same way, starting always with brushes to apply the liquid product and continue with our beauty blender. And of course, all the product down onto the neck. The next step is my concealer, my instant anti-age eraser. On the inner part of the lid, on the outer corner, never directly onto the bottom eye area because we're gonna cause wrinkles, onto the bridge of the nose, onto the mustache area, onto the chin area, and 2 lines between the mouth as a mini lift. And with the same way, we're gonna apply all the product quickly because it is getting dry very quick with my beauty blender. The next step is my bronzer. I'm gonna use my MUA cream bronzer in the shade Espresso. I'm taking this Kabuki brush. It is very dark, so I apply a few on the cheeks, some dots on the forehead, a few on the nose, and some product on the chin area. It is very dark because I'm very tanned, so I don't want to apply much more than this. Taking my beauty blender and applying directly the product. The next product I'm gonna apply is my MUA Liquid Cream Blush Watermelon. And this is an intense product that I'm gonna apply it with my, of course, kabuki brush, not kabuki brush, with my beauty blender. An intense product because it is watermelon, but it is very nice, very summery. Always when I finish to apply my liquid product, I will continue with the same onto the same point with powdery product. Unless apply only powdery product if you don't want the liquid. But to tell you the truth, the liquid product gives you a very healthy and glowy result. I really love the liquid product. Of course, continuing with my glitter padding highlighter Cyan Beauty. This is a very nice golden rose highlighter. As you see, I apply it with my finger. And I will, of course, apply it with tap motion with my beauty blender onto the cheekbone. And now going to continue with powder products, taking my transparent loose powder. With this powder, I'm gonna set up the whole face. First, I'm setting up the under eye area. We have told that our under eye area is very leathery, very light, very soft. So we don't apply compact powders. We apply only transparent powders to set up the area. I will do some mini bake. I will leave the product for some 2-3 minutes, not more. As you see, this is the baking I'm doing. You can avoid that, but we want a more photographic look, a more beautiful, intense photographic, photoshopping look, photoshooting. So I'm leaving this powder and continue with my Wet n Wild contouring palette over the liquid bronzer. Beautiful, this palette. I really love this palette by Wet n Wild. It is very convenient and very useful for many points you have to do on your face. Continue. Blush, a peach blush with highlighter over this. This look wants a light blush to have the best result, not a very dark or very red blush. The peach is a color that I don't remember if I have told you that matches to almost all of you persons, all of you. And infallible L'Oreal Champagne highlighter over the other. On the nose, on the temples, on the cupid bow. Continue applying some of the products we have applied onto the eyelid to continue to end up with our under bottom eye area. I'm applying the darkest product, the darkest shadow, and now I'm taking the shadow we have applied onto the crease to smudge the darkness inside. I will apply a brown color, brown pen inside the waterline area. And some highlighter on the inner part of the lid. My highlighting powder on the inner part of the lid. of course, I'm gonna take off the excess powder, the mini bake that I have done before. I'm taking off this, dusting off the whole powder. Mix all the colors together with my beauty blender. And now, moving on to the lips. Tommy Jean Smart Lip number 8, a nude pink color. Classic nude pink color. And of course, my lovely favorite Maybelline 942 Blushing Put Matte Color, which is this. It is my favorite lipstick for this year. It is a dusty pink color. If you don't like that color, if maybe it don't match to you very well, use a more fuchsia color. But if you are light, blonde, light skin like me, this is more best for you. If you're darker, use a more fuchsia color. Beautiful, beautiful. And of course the last step, Fiore Vita Makeup Fixing Spray. And don't forget the last step, it is very important for you, my friends. Well, my friends, this is my complete finished look for you. If you are going in this summer to be a bridesmaid, a maid of honor, this is a very nice look as you see. Look, what a nice eyes and lips look this is, and light and very wearable with almost all the colors, all the clothes you can wear, you have to wear, matching to almost all of them. So my friends, if you like that video, give it some thumbs up, leave a comment below, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't and ring the notification bell and stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Love you friends!